Kenya Pipeline has been bought by Museveni and others after the people of Kenya refused to buy Kenya Pipeline. Museveni has demanded that the CEO of Kenya Pipeline must be a Ugandan. So huyu Sang amekamatwa to create room for a Ugandan to be the CEO of Kenya Pipeline. And Kenya Pipeline was bought in a very opaque manner. KCB has named nominees who bought Kenya Pipeline. We want those nominees to be named. We want a list of the nominees to be published. We have information that against the law, money has been gotten from the pension funds illegally to buy Kenya Pipeline. In fact, the organization called Unclaimed Assets, against the law, they have taken money from unclaimed assets to buy Kenya Pipeline. I want to give a very serious warning to the directors of the unclaimed assets that when we take over, we will take you to court because you have no business getting money from unclaimed assets to invest in Kenya Pipeline. That is money for the people of Kenya, and it's against the law. And let us also put parastatal heads and directors of state corporations and managers of pension funds. William Ruto is using you to do illegal things. You will have your day in court when he is gone to Sugoi.